ready? So weird. Hi! So we basically thought that we would do a day in the life vlog, kind of just to get us all started. Basically just show you guys what we do in our day-to-day lives. Obviously at the moment we are still in lockdown isolation. So yeah. Hi! Our days are very busy, even without going out and about and stuff like that. Obviously we've got 2 kids under 2, so they are crazy, running about all the time. So yeah, I think the plan for today, the weather's actually really bad outside. So normally if the weather's really good, we spend most of our day outside. But yeah, so the weather's really bad right now. I'm gonna go and clean up the kitchen a little bit, just have a bit of a play about with these guys before their nap this morning. So we hope you enjoy. You smiling? So as you can hear, we have got Moana playing because Agnes loves Moana, and Innes has actually just woken up from a nap. Innes has already had his first morning nap, and we're just waiting for round about 10:30, and then they go and have a nap together in their room. Looked at. So we tend not to let Agnes watch TV too much, because when she does and then she gets it taken away from her, she ends up like this. Yeah, this morning, basically just before their morning nap, their room and everything's pretty tidy, so we'll just have a little play, read some books, and then just kind of try and wind them down for nap time a little bit. So fingers crossed they will nap together. It's not very often they nap together, but when they do, it's really good. It's nice. It means that I can kind of get some stuff done. The house is really clean and tidy, which is nice. And it means I can just do my workouts when I want to. I can kind of do my dyeing, maybe get a cup of tea. So yeah. So that is both babies off to sleep. So they will be asleep for, I don't know, maybe about half an hour most. So in that time I'm gonna get my workout done. I'm gonna take the dog out. Yeah. Buzzing. Oh. So my hope for them to sleep for an hour while I got a workout done didn't go well. You both slept for 20 minutes. So basically my plan now is I only had one round, I had one round left of my workout to do. So I'm just gonna do that now, while these guys are up on the floor. She's not okay. Oh God. I want her to see if she will actually, oh my gosh, she's come back to bed. Oh. She's tired, they're both tired. Right, so yeah, I will get my workout finished just now, and yeah, it means I can film it, so it works out well. ran out of diluting juice and I gave her water. I don't know if you can see or hear, but the weather has taken a definite turn for the worst. So we are not having our daily walk today, which means that the kiddos are going to have to stay inside. They've both just gone off for another nap because they had literally no sleep this morning. They were really, really tired. Yeah, and very, very grumpy, as you saw. Agnes having a kick-off over me giving her water, not juice. So the kids and I have actually not left our house in, I want to say, maybe about 10 weeks. So it is what it is. You know, our days are busy because we have 2 kids under 2. But you know, we obviously do miss like going out and visiting my friends and Lewis's friends and like my grandma and stuff like that. So yeah, we're getting there, we're managing fine. We going for a walk? Yay! Good boy.
That's a money shot right there.
Hey sweetie. You ready? What a joke. Come on then, pal. This is so weird. So it is still snowing, but it's also incredibly sunny. Are you okay, sweetie?
No, it's it. No.
Yeah, okay. Let's get you home. You okay? Somebody is incredibly grumpy, but hopefully Dad has made dinner while we've been out in the snow. Typical, we're home now and sun's come out. Never mind.
Swiss, Swiss, Swiss. Swiss, Swiss, Swiss. Roll the Swiss, 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 Swiss. All day down. Mama. Mama.
You say Moana? So that's us had our tea and now it's bedtime. So we'll probably have a story with Agnes, get them all dressed and then yeah, off to bed. I've got a Zoom call with the girls tonight, so looking forward to that. And Lewis, as you can see, is very tired, so he's probably just gonna be asleep on the sofa in front of the TV. That is a sneak peek into our day. I really hope that you enjoyed watching what we do on a day-to-day basis. I'm going to try and do some more fun videos with the kids, maybe some fitness videos as well, and we'll just try and build up the channel as best as we can. So if you enjoyed watching us, it would mean so much if you subscribed to our channel and liked our video. But thank you so much for joining us and watching.